So I posted another copy of the story LaFrontera, and this is read by somebody else, another teacher, not at our school, just in case you want to listen to it again. Or you can listen to the one that I read yesterday, or you can read it in Epic. So the book is available in 3 different places that you could either listen to or you can read yourself. Yesterday we talked about the character feelings, and you looked at the little boy Juan and talked about how he was feeling at different points in the book. So you looked at him at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. And you picked something that he was feeling and then why he was feeling it. And those that posted their assignment did a really good job. I was able to read through them last night and did a really good job. In this one, we're going to be looking at character traits. And remember, character traits they are not only the character's feelings, they are how the character is feeling, how the character is acting, and what they are saying and thinking. And so the character trait or graphic organizer that you're going to do looks like the following. So again, you're going to put the title of the book, La Frontera. You're going to put the character's name, Juan, and you're going to think of 3 traits. Now today I posted a picture and asked you to look at that and think about what he was doing and what kind of a trait he might have. And I was thinking that because he was helping his grandfather, that he is a helpful person. And my evidence down here, so the trait would be helpfulness, and the evidence would be in the picture, it shows that he's helping his grandfather. And in the text, it says that he loved helping his grandfather. And so you're going to think of 3 traits. You can use my helpfulness trait that we posted in the Ignite activity, but you need 3 traits and the evidence from the story. Remember, the book is posted. The book is also assigned in Epic and is available. When you're done, submit this back to the assignment, and it's going to be for this assignment, character traits.